Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the personalize section, and here you have to select Change Wallpaper. You can select one of the pre-installed HTC wallpapers, you can select one of the live wallpapers, you can select wallpapers from theme store, or just go to the gallery and select any image which you can download from the internet or take a picture with your camera. By going to the albums, here you can find your image, here you can adjust it how you want it to look. You can also select different filters for this image. I don't know, let's pick maybe this one and then confirm it. And as you can see, my wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.